Hi, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to create a bracelet. I created a bracelet a week ago and I decided that that bracelet need a friend. And I'm going to start off by using the crystal strong stretch cord. And I'm going to use a beaded needle to pull the beads through. I'm not going to talk too much through this video, but I will elaborate on some of the equipment that I'm using. I'm using a beaded board to design my bracelet. The reason I use the beaded board is so that I don't have to second guess on my design. Once I create it and put it together, then there it goes. Then that's all I have to do is thread it through the needle. Sometimes the wooden holes are not opened, so I use a tool to open the wooden beads. Using the beaded board to design the bracelet before you get started makes it much easier to work with. And you just don't have to use a beaded board. You can use any equipment, bowls or anything to set up your beads or whatnot. I'm going to use my pliers to pull the needle and the thread through the beads. And yes, I double looped my stretch cord. That loop right there is where I'm going to tie the knot. And once you tie the knot, it all comes together the same way it was on the board. This is where I'm going to take the stretch cord and tie it in that loop so that it comes together nice and tight. Then I'm going to take another knot and tie it, making sure that it's tight. but not too tight. You don't want to pull it till it breaks. Just get it nice and tight. And I found it easier to make the knot thicker by looping it once around the loop, and then again around the loop. So about 2 or 3 times around the loop. Then pull it to tighten it, and it makes the knot a little thicker. Not too thick that it don't go through the bead, because you want to make sure it is hidden inside of the bead. Then you just cut that excess stretch cord, put a little glue on there to make sure it's nice and secure. There it goes. Look, nice. I really like it. And here go my bracelet I made a week before. But I decided it needed a friend. So here I'm going to cut the excess cord so I can hide the knot inside of the bead. There it goes. Look. You don't see the knot. See? And one thing about beaded bracelets, you actually can wear most of them in any occasion. I mean, anywhere. Dinner dates, dancing, casual. Yes, anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put out more videos. And yes, that is a great gift. And yes, it's handmade, which makes it very much special. So again, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.